Hello friends, this is your friend Rahul from techblogcorner.com, and today in this video I am going to tell you how you can add Twitter tweets in your WordPress blog post. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So guys, what you have to do is you have to just log into your WordPress dashboard admin, and once you landed on your dashboard admin, just click on all post and you will see this screen in front of you. Now click on the desired post where you want to add the tweet. For example, I am going to take this post as an example and click on edit button. Now the post has been loaded. So scroll down a bit and choose the location where you want to add the tweet. For example, I want to add the tweet here. So just select the line and press enter. You will go to the next line. And now which tweet we want to add here, let's go on that process. This is my timeline. I want to add this particular tweet in my post. So I'm going to click on the tweet. Now just look at the top URL, copy that URL. This is the tweet URL. You can use the embed tweet option as well, but we are going to show you the URL method only here. Let's go back to the post. Now just paste that URL directly. You can see WordPress has the feature like automatically getting the embedded code from Twitter, and you can see the complete option. You can see the complete look of that tweet, how it is going to look like. You can change the position as well, like center, left align, right align. Okay, now there is another way to add the tweet in the Gutenberg editor. So I'm going to show you the different way as well. Just enter the next line and click on the add block and search for tweet. I'm seeing Twitter directly, but if you are not seeing Twitter, then search the way like I'm going to show you now. Just enter Twitter here and you will see this icon. Just click on it and you need to just paste the URL of the tweet that you want to embed. You see this method is also working and it looks fine. Let's post this and see how it is going to be look like on the live post. Now the post is loaded. You can see method 1 and method 2 both the ways showing the same way, same tweet. That's all guys in this video. I hope you enjoyed this video and understand the method, and if you like my video then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Take care, bye bye.